Roblox Studio in 5 minutes. So when you open up a new project, you'll see something like this. We don't need the toolbox on the left side, so we can just close that. Same with the Explorer and the Properties panel as well. We don't need this for now. Okay, so this is our main stage where our game is, and our game is already playable. Let me show you. If we press play here, we have our character or avatar, right? We can move around. And we can jump and we can do all sorts of things here that we can do in a regular Roblox game. And this, I think, is super cool because we didn't have to do anything and already we have a playable game. Really cool and not something I've seen before in any other gaming engine. So what else can we do here? We can add a little part up here, a little block, and we can move this around here, for example. We can go to the scaling tool and make it larger like this. There we go. And then we can also move it up here, right up here. Maybe we can jump on it. Let's see if we can play this. And it falls to the ground because this is a physics engine. And it's like the real world, right? So we have to do something, which is super simple to do. We just select this thing and then we go up here to anchor and now it's fixed in space. And now we can actually jump on it like this. There you go. That's a simple, stupid game we've already built. Really simple game, but it shows you how simple this is to use. Now, what else can we do here? Well, we can color it to different color, for example, blue. And we can change the material as well. We can change it into like brick or basalt, carpet, ceramic tiles, a lot of different things, right? So already it's looking much better. Now, we can also do something here, which is kind of cool. And this is why I think Roblox Studio is an excellent tool for kids to teach them computer skills, right? In an environment that they are very much used to. So we can do Control C for copy and then Control V, and you'll see that we've just created another one of these, right? Copy, paste. We can also do duplicate by doing Control D, which is my favorite actually. Once you've done that, you can move it like this and you've got a duplicated block, right? So two things we have here now. What else can we do? Well, one thing we can do, which is a big one, is actually teach coding inside of Roblox Studio. So we can do scripting. Let me show you. So let's go in here and let's right click and go insert object. And let's do script like this. And we'll go into script. And now this opens up, right? And it already says something here, which is print hello world, which you might have seen before if you know Python, because this looks like Python. Even though it's not Python, it's something called Lua. But it's similar though, right? Now, this is already giving you some code, which we can see actually by showing something called the output right here. So if we run this now, we should be able to see hello world right here. But this is something only we see as the creators of the game, not anything that the, end user sees. So let's see how we can change that. We can go here again, back into script. And this is where we can do something like we can say local. Now this is some coding, right? So you might not have seen this before, but we can say local block, and this would be the block itself. So we're going to say script.parent to say that this thing right here is what we're referring to inside by block. We have to have that first. Once we have that, we can, for example, say something like wait, let's say 5 seconds, wait 5 seconds, and then do something. The simplest thing I feel like I can show you is how to change the color from this nice blue to a different color like red, right? After 5 seconds. So let's try that now. So we can do block and then dot, brick color. Do you see? This is something we can use. Excuse me. Brick color. And then we can set that equal to brick color. Is helping me here. Yeah, we're using some AI, I think. Brick color or autocomplete, new, and then here we can say the name of that color. Now those names are actually up here. You see when I hover over these, I'll see camo, I'll see cyan, really red. Let's try really red for a big difference. So let's do really red. There you go. And let's run that. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hey, there you go, really red. And that's it, Roblox Studio in 5 minutes. I think you get the idea of what Roblox Studio is, and it's really not much more complicated than this. Thank you for watching the video.